The fund has a core allocation to equities and North American fixed income, as well as allocations to global alternative fixed income, as well as real asset equities. Now, amongst these four investment strategies, a relatively concentrated approach means that each of the underlying investment strategies can meaningfully contribute to the fund's performance. Now, at the same time, we know, and our view is that the current low interest rate environment is going to be with us for some time. So investors are continuously looking for additional ways to drive income within their portfolios. This fund will look at sustainably generating a distribution on a monthly basis that again can help satisfy that need for income. Our tactical asset allocation approach within these portfolios is nearly unconstrained. Now, we evaluate the market backdrop really across four key dimensions. Our outlook on the macroeconomic environment, we evaluate market sentiment on the other hand, and then we look at valuations and finally consider where we see policy heading, both on a monetary and fiscal basis. Combining each of these dimensions, we formulate our tactical outlook. Now, in this unconstrained approach, we're able to meaningfully express that tactical outlook. We can go as much as 70% equities, 30% fixed income, all the way down to 30% equities, 70% fixed income. Again, depending on what our outlook is, where we see opportunities and where we see risks on the horizon. One of our greatest strengths is in selecting, analyzing underlying managers that we can use within our portfolio for really selecting securities from the bottom up. So whether that's picking stocks, picking bonds in various asset classes to use within our portfolios. And then of course, the ongoing monitoring, evaluation of these managers is another key component. So in addition, from the top down, we bring our tactical asset allocation approach. And we've been using this within our portfolios for many years, honing that approach and really adding significant value over time. We now implement that within the Sun Life Global Tactical Yield private pool, and we're able to, again, express those tactical views in a more unconstrained, higher conviction fashion. This fund is quite different from others that are in the global balance category. Because of that unconstrained tactical approach, we'll be quite nimble in our asset allocation, responding to our expectations on the global macro environment, market conditions, avoiding risks along the way as well. That means that in a portfolio context, this can be a great diversifier because we expect the investment experience to be quite different from many others. And then finally, the income question. We get right back to the fact that this fund pays a monthly distribution, which of course helps fulfill that income need within the portfolio as well.